We like to use this King Arthur mix. They have so many different kinds of desserts and treats, and it's like kind of like having like a butcher box, except for it's for like tasty treats, and everything comes in the box and you just have to mix it all together. If you know someone who likes to cook, this could be a fun gift for them in the future. Matt gets wild and crazy. Look how many he ordered. Let's see. We got Cinnabons, we got waffle mix, we got sweet bread, and then pancake mix. So when he orders them, he usually orders a few at a time. You can also find King Arthur flour in a few of their products in the supermarkets if you look. It's usually just a higher quality. We are at it again. I'm about to wrap Sadie's gifts. I got little reindeer stockings on. And look at this bag that I found. Isn't it so cute? And it looks just like her. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take all these guys out and put them loosely into this bag. So we are getting ready to head out to the movies. I can't imagine what we're gonna see. I have no idea. And I have my Ray inspired hair. It's inspired. It's not the hairstyle. I know that she has 3 buns and the hair's all up. She was my inspiration, and this is what I did with it. So it's my own little Ray hair. But yeah, we're gonna go to dinner first, and then we're gonna go to the movies, and I'm really excited. We're going with my dad. It's gonna be so much fun. In a comic book store 2 times in 1 week. And just like that, it's the last Star Wars movie. We're on our way home from the movies. We had to stop and get gas real quick. So yeah, it was a good movie. I mean, it's Star Wars. There's a lot going on though. I really feel like I need to process it. And there's like some things I'm like, you gotta just like take it all in, you know what I mean? But it's good. I mean, if you like Star Wars, you're gonna like it. You gotta see how it ends. I mean, you have to.